We begin with Carson Wyrick, who's turning number 4. Carson, this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Nana, and Papa, as he's fixing up something there in the background and doing so in Seneca.
And we've got Mia Lovell turning 7 strong this year in Arma, Kansas. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Miss Mia.
Now, over the weekend, Kelly Ortiz Rice celebrated her 7th birthday. Kelly, I want you to know that Mom, Timothy, Uncle Charlie, and Aunt Janet, as well as all your family and friends, wish you a big happy birthday in Pittsburgh.
All right, and Anna Stan Pitt is celebrating birthday number 7 this year. Anna Stan is in Chanute, and if you're wondering what that trophy is for she's holding, that's for accomplishment of reading 184 books this year.
So I did the math over here, and that's the equivalent. So when Anna Stan was born, you think about that, because first off, you have to learn how to read and whatnot. Mm-hmm. It's the equivalent of reading a book every 2 weeks since the day she was born.
And I'm sure that 184 books was just for this year's school.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. Colton Hixson celebrating number 11. Nice catch, my man. Nice catch. Colton out fishing in Fort Scott.
All right, that was a good catch there. And Hayden Buchanan turning 13 years old this year. Welcome to the teenage years, Hayden in Jasper, Missouri.
Alex Evans hanging on to the teenage years, celebrating number 19 right there. Enjoy that age, Alex. That was a wonderful, wonderful time right there. And happy birthday from the entire family. He is in front now.
All right, in Bronson, Kansas, Kayla Greene celebrating birthday number 34 this year. Hope it's a great one.
Will Bunn, big Kevin Harvick fan, I'm told, and he's got the shirt to prove it right there. Kevin, he is, Will, excuse me, he's turning 51. He is in Frontenac as well.
All right, and Theresa Martin is 67 years old in Uniontown. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Miss Theresa.
Pretty cool picture right here. It's Diana Knight, as she is pictured with 2 of her granddaughters. Now, as Diana celebrates her 77th birthday, she has 3 children, 9 grandchildren, and 3 great-grandchildren. Diana, a very happy birthday to you in Weir.
Oh, that's a great picture there. And in Thayer, Kansas, Jr Peterson, Sr. turning 81 years old this year.
You better keep on rolling with the Peterson family story here.
That's right. Okay, so if Jim is celebrating, then that means just a hop, skip, and a jump over to Erie. Jeff Peterson is turning 61, and his birthday was actually on Saturday. That is one of Jim's sons, of course.
You better keep on rolling with the Peterson family story here.
Because Jim Jr. is also celebrating a big thing today. Jim Jr. and Nancy Peterson are celebrating 41 years together. So not only are we celebrating Jim Sr.'s birthday and his son Jeff's birthday, but his son Jim Jr. got married.
In other words, the Peterson household, there's a party going on at some point in time. Mm-hmm. Over the weekend and into this week. That is amazing. So congratulations to all the Petersons. Derek Wade, a happy birthday in Columbus. John Geyer celebrating number 72. Happy birthday to John in Cherokee. Kathy Cook, a very happy birthday in Carterville. And 60 years of marriage for Kenny and Marilyn White. Congratulations to Kenny and Marilyn as their party commences in Columbus. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to